What's up, guys? This is William Agnew. Welcome to Jekyll and Hydes. Today we got an exclusive for you. Nothing says American muscle like the Dodge Challenger, baby. Check it out. We got a gloss black straight from the dealership, ready to get protected with PPF. What does PPF stand for? You guys have been watching me. You already know. It's paint protection film. So what did we do to this SRT Hellcat? We wrapped it in PPF, but not only did we wrap it in PPF, we matted it out. So we went from gloss black to fully matte. Check it out, guys. This thing is sleek, this thing is aggressive, and this thing is sexy, if I must say, right? I love it. We actually have a little tint of red also, just to break the black up a little bit, give it that little accent. As you can see, the calipers are red, right? And the reflectors, we kind of left the same. So on the back, you can see matching reflectors that are also red. We kept it simple. We didn't do too much. We simply protected it, put a little Armorall on the tires, and matted it out, right? And that's all it really needs. Check it out, guys. If you need anything matted out, blacked out, protected, bring it down to Jekyll and Hydes. Just like this Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, we can do it for you guys. William Agnew, Jekyll and Hydes, bring it on down. See you guys on the next one.
And I got the spoke tail lights for you too. No, I'm telling you, the red. Let's go for the red on the back.